I'm making peanut butter cookies with only 3 ingredients, and I'm not using any flour at all. I am a bit skeptical, but I am trusting the recipe, so let's see what happens. The recipe says to use 1 cup of smooth peanut butter. Then, let's add 1 cup of sugar right on top. And then add 1 large egg. So let's mix this up and see how the dough looks without any flour and no butter either. It seems too simple to make amazing cookies, but so many people say this is the best way to make peanut butter cookies, so let's see if it lives up to the hype. The dough looks quite soft, so I am going to pop it in the fridge for 30 minutes, just to make it easier to scoop. Now, let's scoop the dough onto the parchment paper-covered baking sheet. I'm using a cookie scoop, but you can use a spoon too. I don't know how much these cookies will spread, so I'm leaving a little space between each dough ball just in case. It seems I've got a little bit of dough left over, so I need to make another batch once the first tray comes out of the oven. Let's use a sugary fork to press the tops down and make that classic crisscross pattern. Every peanut butter cookie recipe seems to do this, so I'm doing it too. Let's hope they stay that way once they're baked. I am going to bake these peanut butter cookies in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. The kitchen already smells really nice, and the cookies look like they came out great. They did spread a little, but the shape still looks perfect. The edges feel a bit crispy, so next time I'd probably pull them at around 8 minutes if I want them more chewy. I will let this first batch cool a bit, just until I get these last cookies into the oven. Then we will have a try and see how these peanut butter cookies taste once they've had a minute to cool. Also, while I am finishing up and getting the next tray ready, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more easy baking recipes. Okay, the second batch is going to be ready now, and I must say, these cookies smell really nice considering they only have 3 ingredients. It's a proper, freshly baked cookie smell, like a more complicated cookie recipe, not a shortcut. They look really good on the tray too, and the tops are all set as you can see here. These cookies did come out super nice. The texture is a bit crumbly with a slight chewiness in the middle. I can't believe they have no flour or butter in them at all. The texture is honestly perfect. And they taste exactly like a proper peanut butter cookie, really rich and peanut buttery. If you love peanut butter cookies that are soft in the middle but still crispy, then you need to try these peanut butter cookies with Rice Krispies here that I made last week. They are so crunchy and the texture is honestly just really fun. If you have never tried peanut butter cookies like this before, you are going to love them.